Hello guys, welcome to my channel, that is Red Pencil Graphics Studio. Let's start with the eye. How to draw an eye. So let's take a ellipse, circle, and adjust the both side and shape of the circle as per the shape of the eye. So we have to reduce from the corner of the circle, from upper side and from the bottom side, so it takes the shape of the eye from the opposite side also. So that's, and now we have to fill gradient, yes, and change the color of this gradient white, and we have to change this black color. We don't want too much black. And let's change the type of gradient, redial, and change the color. So it's look like I think we have to add one more color. No, it's not. No. Let's add one more color. Okay. Looks good. Let's decrease it. Okay. Okay. Let's add stroke. Go to properties and add stroke. Remove the stroke. Make it duplicate. Now add stroke. And increase the size of the stroke. And make appear send to back. And adjust it. Okay. We don't want the bottom highlights, bottom stroke, so we have to erase that. Erase it carefully. Okay. Now we have to add circle. Take a circle. Draw a circle. Remove its stroke and change the color. Just adjust it and remove the stroke and change its color. Gradient, we have to add here gradient. We want brown or some orange. We don't want 3 colors. We just want only 2. This one, no. So let's select this, and second one we want dark blackish shade. No. That's okay. We have to change its degree. Oh, looking. Oh, it's looking okay. Just little bit. Okay. You can change the color, blue color or red or green, anything as per your choice. You can change it later. Just adjusting this. Okay. Now press Alt key so we can copy that. And select the backward was. Select the back side of the circle and make Gaussian blur. Okay. Make it blur. Then take a second one. Place the circle and make it black. And adjust this place. And fill it in black color. Go to properties and choose the black color. Okay, we are just near to the perfect, but we want to add the strokes like just so that in the eyes, so that we have to go to the star shape and increase it's okay. 12, 15, okay, and go. Okay, yes, no, yes, it's perfect. Okay, and make some copy of this. We have to add in 2 colors. For making copy, press Alt key. Change to brown, and one is black. Just adjust it and rotate. Okay, and make the opacity lower. And that's it. You can also add shadow. No. Keep it dark. You can also change the color of this circle also. You can add a green color or any blue, sky blue color. You can add any. Now just want to add shadow. Select all and group it with Ctrl+G. Inner shadow. Okay. Oh, okay, yes. It's like good and real. You can change it as per your choice. And so this is an eye. You can use export as a PNG and use in your character or any other type of uses. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video.